Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace and this is going to be another addition to the Christmas month. If you want to say that, right now it's snowing outside, so I'll show you. We're supposed to get like 8 to 15 inches. No one's really sure. I heard like the smaller end of the scale and the larger end of the scale, but I'm hoping for more so we can go sledding and four-wheelering and stuff like that. But right now I'm actually wrapping presents. Not sure if I said that or not. But, yeah, I'll show you everything. So this is the snow outside. It's probably only like 3 inches, enough to come over the grass. And actually, we've had a pretty warm December, a warm winter. The grass was still like evergreen green until right now when it's covered by snow. So, we're probably at least 6 more inches, if not 12 more inches. So right now, me and my sister are doing some gifts and wrapping some gifts. We have a bunch of like the name things and some like certificates that I'm gonna make up with the ribbon and that stuff. Then on the couch here is my side. I don't even have all my Christmas gifts out yet. I don't even have most of them. Well, about half of them are probably like made and stuff. But I'm getting that done. So that's for. The only thing that's for my immediate family is this thing for my dad. His truck wheel is getting really bad. Steering wheel cover. This is for my cousin Viv. And we got matching shirts. They're not matching, but they're like all the same theme that we're going to wear Christmas morning. And yeah, so come along and enjoy. 2 down, a lot more to go. Session 1 of present wrapping complete.
Stay.
Okay.
What did it do?
Hi, baby. Are we going to go sledding?
Look at her beard.
So it is the day after everything snowed. We are outside playing it, gonna shovel things, sidewalks, porches. Dad already plowed the driveway. Right now we are heading to go get the sleds. So we got sleds about 2 years ago for Christmas, and it hasn't snowed like a good 3 inches until like now. So, we have a variety of sleds here. Got the new ones that we got. Like little plastic things that we used before. Then a big orange one that broke that I think we can all go on. But it's a little cracked. That's the one we go behind the four-wheeler on before. Dad's not home, so we can't really do that. I mean, we could, but you know what I'm saying. So, it should be fun. It should be interesting. It's Emmy's actual like first big snow since she was a puppy. So, yeah.
I'm gonna try it.
Oh, that's not a very good hit. Emmy, come here. Let's go sledding. Come here.
Where'd you go?
Emmy, come on. Emmy, come. Come see. Come on. Let's go. Emmy.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the big
Hey.
hill that we had.
Hey.
Tom. Hey. Tom, we're
You
going
squirt. Come here.
Tom.
Emmy, come on. Let's go. Come on. We're going to sled down. Come here, Emmy. We're still training her how to come when we're outside by ourselves. But we will see. But all of this, like untouched snow, not for long. We'll be sledding. Hi, Pep. Are you ready to go sledding? Come on.
Look at her white feet.
Hi. Oh. Okay. Ready to go? Come on.
Wait, can you push me?
Yeah.
You want me to push you? Don't wait, keep going down.
Emmy.
The garden's covered. You can't see the radishes and the wheat or whatever it is. Right, Emmy, get up! You are literally in the middle of the garden right now. Get them, dudes! I'm trying to get up now. Oh. It's
What do you think, Emmy?
that did not turn out good. The wings are just... Ow! That didn't hurt. Emmy, look, ready?
Did she get you?
Ready? Loser stance.
Come on,
Emmy.
get some more.
Oh,
no! Get it! Oh, that's too much, Lindsay. Come here, Em.
Come here.
Come on.
Come here.
Come on. Woo! Here, Emmy, look, what's this?
You want to eat it?
Oh my word. Ready? Yeah. Get all that snow off. You're supposed to eat it. Silly goose. All right, so we had our fun on the sleds. So now we are going to shovel, and then we're gonna have like a hot chocolate and popcorn and apples and a movie. So Mom and I already did the back, and then Mom's gonna do some stuff in the house, and then I'm gonna do the front porch and sidewalk and everything. So here we go. All right, we are done. How's the workout? This snow is not like a heavy snow, it's actually like a light snow, but it's like melting, because duh, the sun. So it's like melting into like a slush almost. So it's heavier than it was out back when it's I don't know, whatever it was. It gave me a workout, that's what I know. So, movie time. Okay. So it is one night later, and my sister and I, along with my cousins, are going to go sledding or tubing down this giant farm hill at our other cousin's house. Kind of confusing. But right now I am making grilled cheese for Lindsay and I, and then in about a half an hour, Crystal and Chloe are going to come pick us up, and then we're going to go over. So, yeah. All right, so I just got home. That was awesome. We did a lot of, like, tubing down hills. We popped a couple, but we had a lot of fun. So, I guess we'll wrap up this video. So, always remember to love God, love people, and always make time for those you love. So, thanks for watching.